Hey guys, we are the how-to dudes. We are going to bring to you a how-to HydroDip tutorial. We have been HydroDipping for a couple of months now and have gotten very skilled at it. These are some of our HydroDip creations. Now let's get started. Before we get started, please remember to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what you thought of this video. Now let's get started. Okay guys, now we are in our workspace. First of all, we are going to put on gloves, which I already did. To get started, you need a bucket of water, spray paint, and what you are going to HydroDip. I'm going to HydroDip a tile that was laying around. After HydroDipping the tile, I'm going to use it as a flower pot stand. Remember, when working with any type of paint, to always use it outside. The first thing we are going to do is fill the bucket with a finger amount of water. Looks about right. And try to use a square or rectangular type of bucket. After, you're going to grab your spray paint colors of choice. Mine are silver metallic, gold, and red. Then we are going to spray your colors of choice into the bucket. Keep spraying the colors until you like the design or pattern. I like to spray my colors into center that they spread evenly. Just gonna add a few more touches. After you have completed this, you are going to grab what you want to dip. Try to have a more flat, cube-like surface. Then put one side in the water and then the other, and try to move any excess paint away. And then completely submerge your item underneath the water for a couple of seconds. Then pull it out. Before I flip it over, I would like to remind you to please subscribe. It would help out a ton. Okay, now let's take a look at my creation. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.